Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And this week it's going to be a little bit of a change. It ain't going to be a main dish. It's going to be a blue cheese dressing or a dip. It's a copycat recipe of a barbecue place. They ain't real far from us, but you can go there and get you a barbecue and they'll bring out blue cheese dressing first with some saltine crackers. It's good. This here is a copycat recipe of it. You'll need some seasoning salt, Worcestershire sauce, buttermilk, some sour cream, half a cup of blue cheese crumbles, lemon juice, mayonnaise, garlic, pepper, and some onion. Let's get started. Alrighty, as you can see here folks, I've done put in our onion and garlic. You need to put in 1 teaspoon of grated onion and 1 large clove of garlic. And what we did, we used minced garlic, and we used just a little over a teaspoon of that there. Alright, we're going to put our blue cheese in there now. That's just a little bit more than a half a cup. But hey, that ain't gonna hurt nothing. Alrighty. Now we need to get a half a cup of mayonnaise. Alright, we're putting in a half a cup of mayonnaise now. Then we'll get some sour cream here in just a second. Alrighty. Now we're putting in a half a cup of sour cream. And then I believe it's a 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Okay. Alrighty, here's our 1/4 cup of buttermilk. It's going in there. Alright, now we're going to put in a half a teaspoon of pepper. Alrighty. Now, need 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Alrighty. Now, we need a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, however you say it there. Alrighty. Now, we need 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Alrighty. Let me double check everything here. Alright, now all we do, whisk this together, and then we'll set it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Let the flavors come together, and then enjoy. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. It sure turned out good, and hope y'all have a blessed day, and we'll be seeing you Friday, Lord willing. Thank you again for watching.